That's your treasure map.
Let's
Go to find it. Oh, here you go. Okay. What do you guys need first? What do you guys need?
the arrow.
You need something to digging first.
Digging?
Yeah. Okay. The first thing what you need? You need Swan. Yeah. Swan. Okay. Let's go find the treasure.
Again?
Let's see what's that. Let me see.
Huh?
What's that? Where is that?
Huh?
Here's the house. Okay, this is the house.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go have to go there. You find dog. So we
Find
can
dog.
find dog here. There.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the find the dog first.
Baba, find treasure eat coin. Baba?
Yeah, keep moving. You find your treasure.
Okay.
Okay, seems like you find it. Dog.
Dog.
Yeah, the dog is there. Okay, let's go near. Move. Okay. That's the dog. Okay, let's see what he said in the map. What else? There's a
Go
tree. Where's the
there.
tree?
Is there?
The tree. Yeah, okay, that's the tree.
I didn't go
Okay,
there.
we have to go to the tree then.
Go
He
there.
said look for chicken.
Eat chicken.
Yeah, there is an ice. I can see there's two ice there.
Yeah, let's
He
go.
said, okay,
Two
let's go. Okay. Okay, where's the tree? The tree is here. The tree. Where's the tree?
Three.
Okay, this is the tree. Okay. And he said look for chicken. Where's the chicken house? Yeah, where is the chicken? Okay, let's go to the chicken house.
Baba, so when you want to find a map, you want to...
Where's the chicken? The chicken house is here. Here.
You go down.
Yeah, okay.
Dada, go down, sister. In map?
Oh, you find it. You open it. Open it. Open. We see what's that.
Right?
What is this?
In map
The chicken is looking at fish.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to look for fish. Where's the fish?
The fish
Where's the
is
too many fish? He said too many fish. Where's the too many fish?
there.
No, where is here? There's too many fish. Where's too many fish? Where's too many fish? Where's too many fish? Where's the too many fish?
It's the fish pond.
Okay, let's go to the fish pond.
Baba, there's one screen, Baba. There's a pin.
Yeah.
Hey!
You guys so slow. Let's go find the treasure.
Let's go.
Yeah. Move.
Find the treasure. Oh, what are you doing? There's no spoil.
Okay, go.
It's going. Why is the spoil?
It's okay. Keep going. Keep going. You look for another paper in the fish pond. Look for another paper. Yeah, look at around. There's a paper around. Just look at it around. Go the other side. Other side. You look for paper, Dada. It's slow. You see the big stone that's is that the one?
Aha, this one.
Okay, yeah, that's the one. Let's go there. Move. Yeah, okay. Now We'll try to find it. I think move. I think it's here. Let's dig it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just we find it now. Okay, remove it. Remove the other one also. Okay. Wow, I can see something. What's that?
Huh?
I can see something. Get the plastic. Open it.
What is that?
Oh my god, you find a treasure.
Yeah, you find the coin.
You find the coins. Open it. Open it.
Yeah.
Open it.
See it. You find
Yeah.
I saw that.
Yeah, you find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If all the coin is done.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's that
Find treasure.
Yeah, I found it.
Wow.
It's a
What is
coin
that?
there.
Yeah.
You find it.
Too many coins.
Yes, I find it. That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you find it.
Very good.